G'day guys, Brody and Corey here from Yamaha Marine Academy. Today we're doing a Know Your Own PWC. We've got a couple of students here and we're going to give them a bit of a rundown on how to launch, do things nice and safe out in the water there. The idea behind Know Your PWC or Know Your Own Boat is for someone that's maybe new to boating or new to PWC riding and they want to know a little bit more, or if you've been out there for a while and you haven't done it for a few years or so, you want to sharpen up your skills, this is the course for you. We get you in, get you comfortable, make sure you're safe out in the water.
Highly recommend learning from these guys on how to operate a PWC correctly. I've been a boatie for 20 years. That doesn't mean I know how to ride a ski properly. So you really need to see these guys, learn the skills you need to know in a controlled, calm environment. They're super relaxed guys and you'll feel really comfortable after a day on the water. Now that I've got more confidence on a ski, I can't wait to take my wife out on the water as well and pass that knowledge along, and we can both enjoy the time on the water together.
Spending the day today with Brody and Corey on the Know Your PWC course was a real eye-opener just to see how skilled they are as trainers. Gareth and I were here together and it showed the real difference between experience and skill. So when it comes to experience, on paper I'm more experienced than Gareth with a PWC, but I don't have a lot of skill. Gareth is new, but he's one of those annoying people with natural talent and can seem to jump on anything and ride it. And the guys, Brody and Corey today, they just changed their training technique whenever they were dealing with each of us to suit what we needed to learn. So for me, I know how PWC works, but I've never been great with small area maneuverability. For Gareth, he'd never actually spent any real time on a ski and he wants to do a bit of jet fishing. So he's been learning the best way to do that. He's been learning how to maneuver the ski, what they do at speed. So everything was new to him, but he picked it up very quickly. So the training was bespoke to our needs. It's been a great day and we've both come away with a heap of new confidence, but in different areas, and I'll probably do another one again with them soon.